On our last DIY video, we put together the new Hooke Road roof rack on the Jeep. We got all the parts we needed, we put it together, and as we struggled to mount the new roof rack on top of the Jeep, and we fastened it down. Will it hold up on our shakedown test? Stay tuned and find out.
Hey everybody, we just got done doing the mounts. So it's the shovels on the outside, and we put the traction pads on the inside. The reason we did them independently instead of like in a stack was because we only have the two, and it covers more space off the roof.
Yeah.
We travel through Arizona sun all the time.
So hopefully these will get hit by the sun instead of the roof.
Yeah, to give it just a little extra shade for the dog.
Yeah, because Finnick sits in the back, as you all know.
Yeah, we're going to the petroglyph area to do a shakedown test on this new roof rack.
Yeah, we wanted something that was close, so in case anything happened.
Yeah, we got all the tools with us just in case there was any issues or a screw come loose or something. But
yeah, we wouldn't be far from the house.
So we're doing a shakedown test on the new Hooke Road roof rack.
There you go.
Hi, Finnick. Hey guys, say hi everybody.
Hi everybody.
So we're taking our Hooke Road roof rack on a shakedown test. We're gonna get out here, do some off-roading and see how it does. Try to get some video of it hanging on and make sure that nothing comes loose.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
You can see we mounted the traction boards, the recovery boards yesterday. Gidget did most of that.
Did not. It was a team effort.
Team effort, okay. Team effort, I get a little credit.
Okay, this is the Hooke Road roof rack test.
Okay.
We are on the dirt road, heading to the gate for our shakedown test of the Hooke Road roof rack. Here's the gate. I don't know if you can see it though. Hopefully you can. And because I am controlling the camera, Aaron is going to get out and do it.
You have to drive through.
See. I don't know if you can see him or not, but there he goes. All right. I gotta switch seats because I gotta drive through. We haven't been out here in a while, but the road so far is pretty good.
Better than the last time we were here. Last time we were here, this road had so many divots and holes, it felt like you were in a ping pong ball. But this is almost smooth.
But we're just getting started, so.
You can feel the heat out there.
Yeah, it's warming up.
It's not bad when we're moving, but yeah, this is 90 now.
You just saw a cow across the road. He's already down in the brush where you can't see him. Oh, no, there they are.
Wow.
Oh, there's a couple babies, too. See? There are the cows right there. Hopefully you can see them.
Two big bulls over here. They both...
Couple of babies, and there's another one over there with a baby. Hi, baby! Come on, you gotta get out of the road! Get out of the road!
There we go.
See, there they go.
Okay.
So, we just saw some cows.
Yep.
And they were in the road.
Cows are always in the road.
But it's
In fact, if you guys go back and watch our Sanchez CCC camp, we go to see these awesome ruins, but the whole thing starts off with a cow jam.
Yep. They're all on the road.
Hoping we can get over that one hill that we did the test drive off of that one time.
Phone just got hit by a tree.
Ooh, is it okay?
Think so.
Okay.
Recorded it too.
Yeah, you know, something that we should probably tell everybody. Last night, our air conditioning in the house went out, and this was about 8 o'clock. And we called a company named Hoffman Heating and Cooling. They sent somebody over who was able to get there before 10, and he worked on our house in the dark by flashlight up until about 11 o'clock, and he got our air conditioning fixed. So we'd love to give a shout out to Hoffman Heating and Cooling. Good job. Did you feel that sand?
Yeah. Now, even though we're not on a trail that is a lot of ups and downs and twists and turns and a bunch of rocks everywhere, this road is kind of washboardy, so that in itself makes it a little bumpy, as anybody who's off-roaded knows. So this is still a pretty good test for the roof rack.
Well, we wanted to get it through stages so that, you know, start off on the street, then we get onto the gravel road, then we hit the washboard section, area with some sand, a bunch of ups and downs, off-road stuff, some stuff that leans, you know.
Yeah.
We gotta truly test and see, make sure that it's installed right. And then we're gonna go around and pull on the pieces and shovels and everything else and see.
Make sure everything is still secure.
I will tell you, it is a lot quieter in here than our other roof rack was. You'd hear that wind whistling through it, so.
Well, it was a lot taller. This one is more down aerodynamic than the other one was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Good. Nothing, no movement. Shovel's still fine. Bring the dog back.
Here.
Nothing. Nothing. This feels good. Axe isn't moved.
All right.
Recovery boards are good. I want to show you guys the petroglyphs. This is the Newman Mountain Petroglyphs. There's Gidget and Finn. Arizona has these all over the place. They were made by the original people who lived here. I don't particularly know which tribe of Indians these were made by, but as you can see them, this way. There's that one there. Further up on the hill, we have this.
Come on, Finn.
It goes all the way up. And over there. There. Newman Mountain Petroglyphs.
Be careful, Aaron.
And these are the Newman Mountain Petroglyphs. You can see them all the way up this hill.
Look at this view. This is so pretty. And there's the supers off in the distance, the Superstition Mountains. There's the Jeep down there. I don't know where Aaron and Finn are. They're probably not too far from it. But what a view, huh? It's quite a view. I'm going up the hill to see what petroglyphs I can find. Found a few. So let's keep going. There's a bunch of stuff along here on this side, all along those rocks. All that right there. Some right here, back there, up a little further.
Oh, super cool.
We got this right here. Just
okay.
All right, pretty cool.
Yeah, this one looks like it's got a bull on it.
Something.
Over here towards the side.
Yeah.
You know, it could be a bull. This is very sweet.
A lot of bees around too.
Yeah. Careful. See the top here?
And the top of the cactus has fallen.
Yeah. Top of this cactus has seen some better days.
Yeah, it sure has.
Bring me your stick. Sorry, I had to extend the selfie stick full. Hopefully you guys can see it better than I can. Just get a drink.
Get your very own A&G mug.
Finnick's getting a drink, but he doesn't have an A&G mug, does he? You know, we should come up with, I wonder if they'd have a water bullet dish that we could put a Finnick picture on.
I don't know.
That'd be kind of cool. You know, you guys can also get a Finnick dog stuffed animal thing too. But the best thing about the A&G Adventure mugs is they don't break. Because the A&G Adventures mug is stainless steel with a coating. And you could get one of these to help support our channel. You can see this trail's got all the ups and downs and crummy road and everything else.
Exactly what we need for a shakedown.
Yep. This roof rack to attest.
And don't hear anything from it. The only sound we hear is from the air conditioning and Finnick's fans.
Yep.
So far, so good. Choyas everywhere. Choyas everywhere. Oop, tree. I believe this exit is the one that has the
Intense dip?
yeah, the high bank.
Yeah, it might.
I think this is the one that has that. So we'll find out.
Yep, it's right here.
Okay.
Alright. And the last one here. It's a walk in the park.
So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button so you can be the first one to see it when it posts.
Cow jam.